Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to be checking out my cap collection. So I've been collecting caps for a long time now, and these are some of my favorite hats. Of course, I have a lot of hats here, so I'm going to be showing you all of my hats. So let's just get on to it, guys. Okay, so first of all we'll start with my black ones, which are the Vance collection, which I have. I really like Vance because they have some of the best fit for me especially. So let's go on to checking them out. This is the first one. Vance has really cool logos and designs, so let's just go on to checking them out. So this is another collection, another design. Okay, and then we will check out the next one. This is definitely my favorite hat of all time, so excuse the whatever dust there is, but it's a really cool hat. So let's get on to the next one. So this is, as you see,
classic.
These are the classics. These are very cool. So that's my wife in the background. So this is definitely goes with my personality well, is because I really love colorful stuff. So this is a colorful hat that I got in Thailand while I was shopping, and it's definitely a cool one. I really like this one. So over here we have a Puma. Puma doesn't have one of the best fittings for hats because they're kind of, you know, puffy here. I don't know why, but I noticed with most of their caps it's quite puffy, but they're cool. This is a Puma hat. It has the Puma logo at the back. Okay, so this is Under Armour. This was gifted to me by my dear friend from Dubai, Mr. Everest. A big shout out to you, love you man. So over here we have Pristine. So Pristine's a very cool hat collection. Okay, that is Pristine over here. So this is many people don't know this brand, especially in other countries, but Volcom is a very popular brand in Australia and New Zealand. Okay, so this is the Volcom skater hats or cap. Okay, this is the first Nike cap I got. It's a completely different style of cap because I don't really wear the, you know, the bendy ones. I wear the flat hats, so, or the flat caps over here. But this is the first curved one I got, which looks like a golfer cap, but it's really cool. I really like it. This is a Converse cap I got. Okay, so it's the blue one. If you see, all of these caps that I have this similar design to this one. So I'm not wearing them all, but I'm just going to show you like this. This is another cap over here, which is the Vance. So let's just zoom in to show you how cool this logo is. So this is the Vance logo. Very cool.
This is H&M.
This is, okay, so if you can hear a girl in the background, that's my beautiful wife.
That's me.
So she's helping me out with my video as always. So this is a Vance cap. Sorry, not Vance. This is H&M. So this is H&M, and I got it for free basically. So what happened was, you had to buy all these coupons or something. When you buy of that amount, then they give you a coupon for that X amount. So that's why I got this one. So let's go get on to checking out my favorite brand for caps besides Vans, which is of course Adidas. Adidas has some of the best hats. This was given to me by my staff for this birthday this year. So a big shout out to them. Okay, thank you very much. This is a gray hat, very nice. Let's get on to the next one, which is a Camo Hat. So I got like the full what is this called, like the full collection for this particular hat, so I can match them all out. I have the shorts, I have the t-shirt, everything to match this hat. If you're on my Instagram, you've probably seen me wearing the full collection. So this one, this is as I said, I love colors. This is very cool. This is a orangish shade, but very cool. If I don't know what you wear this with, because it's like a very rare color. Okay guys, so another one which is very cool is this one, which is a blue. You can wear this with everything possible, and it's like basically Adidas's signature pair. So this is very cool, and this is of course my favorite one from Adidas, because yes, of course, is black, and if you notice, I love black, so definitely something that you should wear. This is another Adidas. This is from a different collection of theirs. So this collection is, I forgot what the collection is called, but it's a really nice hat. So if we zoom in over here, I'll just show you. So it says Adidas Originals over here. They are all Adidas Originals, guys, because this is the Adidas Originals logo. So I got another one which is similar to this. Nice story with this is it has this Fifi thing. This is what it's like, this cruise boat in Thailand, so it's a nice reminder. So that's why I still have it on my hat, and I was wearing that hat that day. So this is another one which is very cool. This is like a punk rock kind of hat. Very cool, guys. So that's it for my hat collection, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I'll be bringing you lots of other videos. If you've not seen my sneaker collection, guys, please do check out my sneaker collection. And thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.